Hello, I am so glad you can join me today. If you're new to this channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. Guys, guess who I have here today? Your favorite person, Mr. Camden. Say hello. Hello to your friends. They're always asking for you. Camden is here today, guys. We're at the beach. We are at a place called Anna Maria Island in Bradenton. And it is such a lovely and beautiful place over here, guys. I have to show you a little bit. I'm holding on to my hat because it's a little bit windy. But I am so happy. I haven't seen my little baby in a while. Hey, he always looks so serious. Can you just smile at once for the camera? Just smile. Yes. Let us see you smiling that pretty smile. There you go. Everybody, Angela, your nephew is here. You always asking for Camden. He's here. All you guys, he's here with me today. And we're going to hang out. We're just going to have a good old time on the beach today. So I want you guys to come and hang out with us. So I will show you around and oops. So I will show you what this beach is all about in a little bit.
Daddy?
Yeah.
We would swim back home. We would swim to maybe about where that buoy is.
Yeah.
Be another buoy there.
Yeah.
And there used to be a ship part there. Me, Auntie Sonia, Auntie Joy. And we would jump off that boat, swim back.
Wow.
Right? And like day for the evening, some of the guys at work, we would come, swim out to another buoy, spend a little bit of time out there, come back in.
Yeah.
No, don't be a clapping.
Oh Lord.
You see me
That's
swimming?
his favorite joke. That when he swims, fish clap.
Fish clap, yeah. He says that.
When I swim, fish and stuff.
You having fun? You tired? Charles,
Hey, what's up?
how do you like this beach over here? What do you think?
It's nice.
It's-
It's very nice.
That's it? It's just very nice.
Yeah, it's very nice. Well, what else to say? It's crystal clear.
It's clear, right? It's
Yeah.
almost like you're back home, right?
Absolutely, yes.
Yeah, you can see the bottom of the sand.
Hey,
And
buddy.
guys, the sand is actually
Well, I see you
clear.
got a
It's
floaty
not
beach.
dark. Hey, Cammy. Hey, Camden. Say hi. Say hi to everyone. What are you doing? You filling your buckets? Cammy's just happy. He's just here filling his bucket with sand. You getting ready to go home? Leave the sand. Put the sand back. You got the sand all over you again. They just clean you off. Now you're putting sand again. Put the sand down. Down. Ground. Down. Ah, oh no. I got a bucket of water here to rinse my feet, and Cammy is pouring sand in my bucket of water. Don't put sand in there. That's to rinse my feet. Oh. No, he gone for nope. Can't put sand in the bucket. Sorry. I don't want any. I don't want it. I don't want it. No, I don't want it. What you find? You found something?
Come on, we gotta take this out the ground and everything.
You are dressed, Cammy.
It only takes a second.
Taking a tent down. It's time to go. What is that? What is that? No, he won't go let Auntie Manda clean your hands. Go on.
With what?
Go to Auntie Manda's a towel. He picked up the sand. Now he's giving me his hand to clean.
Come. Come.
Hi guys, I didn't get a chance to end yesterday's video, so I wanted to do it to kind of wrap everything up today so I can end this video. Yesterday was a fun day. I got to spend the day with my Cammy. My Cammy's getting so big. I'm sure you guys are, aware of that. He's getting really big, but it was a fun day. We had a nice day at that beach. That beach is called Anna Marie Island. Guys, it gets a little dark. It goes in and out, and that's because we're on the highway. So there's areas where it's lighted and then there's no light. So bear with me, okay? But that beach yesterday, Anna Marie Island, that we went to, guys, it was like if you were in the islands. The water was nice and clear. The sand was nice and white, as you can see in the video, and the area was very nice. It was not overly crowded. It was not, and it was beautiful. The water was nice and warm, and as the day went on, it had certain areas in the water that was like a hot spot. It felt like it was in a jacuzzi. So guys, if you want a nice day at the beach, you can check that out if you're here in Florida. But remember, parking was really tough over there. You had to be there like early to be able to get a good spot. Don't double park, because if you double park, you're gonna get a ticket. So don't double park. But it was a nice day. So if you get there early, you know, take some sandwiches, take some food, take some blankets, your umbrella, your chairs, whatever you have, with your family, and just enjoy the day. Beautiful water. I loved it. Guys, I hope you had fun watching this video. Don't forget to share, give me a thumbs up on the video, subscribe. As I said, if you've watched the video all to this section and you like what you see, go ahead and go ahead and subscribe, because I know there's a lot of people that watch the video but yet still haven't subscribed, or sometimes you watch and you click off and you forget to do the thumbs up. That's really important. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I had fun, and I hope you guys had fun watching as well. Until next time, bye-bye.